a relation R in the set of real numbers defined as R is equal to A comma B, B is equal to root A is a function or not. So we need to check it is a function or it is not a function, right? Before that we must know what is function. So basically function is it is a type of relation. Function is a type of relation. It is a type of relation in which every element of set A, having only one and one image in set B, having only one and one image in set B. So that type of special type of relation is called as function, right? So we need to check is this a function or not, and it is if you look at this, R is given, it is for the real number. Let me explain this thing with the help of the Venn diagram to you first, and it is easy to understand. Suppose this is set A and it is set B. Set A is having the element real numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, -1, -2, -3 and so on. And here in the set B also there are the real numbers. यहाँ पे भी real numbers हैं 1, 2, 3 and so on, -1, -2, -3 and so on, right? Now look at this relation given here. So the relation is given here, B is equal to root of A. So let us find the value of A here from here. So A is equal to, if I shift this square root on this side, A become B square, right? So A is equal to B square in this case. What is A? A is the element in set A and B is the element in set B. Now suppose let A is equal to 0. If A is 0, then what is the value of B? B is also 0. If A is 1, so what is the value of B? So if A is 1, so the B may be 1 or B may be -1 also. Now look at this, how it comes. So if I put A equal to 1 here in this expression, if I put A equal to 1, so B may be, the condition may be equal when it is B is equal to 1. In the first case, B is equal to 1, and in the second case, if B is -1, then also it satisfies the condition. -1 square is equal to 1. Now look at this question here. In this question, how many images of 1? 1 is having how many image? So 1 से हमारे पास 2 एरो जा रहे हैं, एक एरो जा रहा है -1 और 1 से एक एरो जा रहा है 1 के ऊपर. So in this case, 1 is having, so we can say that 1 is having how many images? 1 is having 2 images. 1 की कितनी images बन रही हैं? 2 बन रही हैं. ऐसे ही हम लोग 2 की फाइंड करेंगे, 3 की फाइंड करेंगे, तो वहां पे भी 2 इमेज बनेंगी. तो इसमें हम लोग एक ही एग्जांपल से बोल सकते हैं. अब 1 की बन रही हैं 2 इमेजेस, तो हमारी डेफिनेशन क्या कह रही है? जो सेट ए के जो एलिमेंट है उनकी कितनी इमेज बननी चाहिए? 1 एंड ओनली 1, एक इमेज बननी चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ पे सेट ए के एलिमेंट की 2 इमेजेस बन रही हैं, एक इमेज बन रही है -1 एंड सेकंड इमेज इज 1. So hence we can say that hence it is not a function. Hence it is not a function. I hope this thing is clear to you. Why it is not a function? Because सेट ए के जो एलिमेंट है उनकी 2 या 2 से ज्यादा जब इमेज बनती है तब वो फंक्शन नहीं होता है. I hope this question is clear to you.